Hi, this is Ruchi Goyal from Impaired but Empowered. After a very long time, I'm making a small video. It's a special day because this week was the Spirit Week for Prisha, which means that it's the last week that they come to the school as students. After this, they go on study leave and then they have exams. So every day was a celebration and kind of letting loose, beach party, and the parade, everything was there, which I've been posting. Well, today was very special. It was the parade where they walk around the school in their gown and inspire the elementary school and the primary school students and interact with the school. Fortunately, I was there and I was so excited to just be there, and I wore the same color, maroon, because I felt it was like my graduation. I remember the time when she first went to school. It was a very emotional time for me, and I wasn't sure if ever there would be a day that she would be able to graduate from a regular school and be able to get into a university. And today, we are just at that point where she is graduating from a school, international school, and with IB diploma, and she's striving to get into an art school. So for me, it's like my journey too, and I feel that emotion of high and emotion. I'm still not sure if I'm ready to cry, but I know someday I will. um, but it just felt so special, and I walked around with this maroon t-shirt, because she has a maroon gown, and I felt as a mom that I also am graduating, because it's just not your child. Remember that it's okay to cry because it's your child that you have traveled with and you have dreamt of this day. And especially if you have a special need child, it's even more challenging to just make this dream come true. So know that, take this pride that you as a parent has done the best and you have supported, and this emotion is real. So if you have to cry, just cry, own it, and feel the pride that yes, every inch of the way, you have been with your child. You have sacrificed your dreams just so that your child can be what he or she is. I know what I have let go in my life so that I can be with Prisha, and she can be where she is today. So if somebody says, oh, she's talented, she's gifted, no, she wasn't. When she was born, we were even thinking that she would talk or she wouldn't. How would I communicate? And if she had no speech, if we didn't have a common language. So first I had to work on her speech, then I had to develop this observation in her, that she can observe things and then draw, paint, think, project, speak. So today what she's doing, it's because every second, every moment I have invested in her. And we as a family, as she grew older, the whole family has been standing by her. So don't let anyone just tell you that, oh, this special child was, came to you for a purpose and things like that. They're so shallow. Don't even think, because you know how many times you have cried as a special need parent, how depressed you have been. Those lonely nights when nobody was there. But when they shine, then there's people who will come and try to take this away from you. Don't let them take it, because you have supported the child, and the child is where he or she is because you invested your tears, your fears, your money, your relationships, everything, just for this child, so that this child can have a future. So these relationships will just disown you when you're going through the struggle. Nobody will hold your hand. Nobody will tell you, hey, you know what, you are short of money, I'm there for you. You have to live those daily struggles. So to me, when I see Prisha standing, smiling, and graduating, with everyone else, I know what this means. There's so many teachers, so many people who just told me that they are so happy for me, and they are telling me it's you. And but there are those who don't think it is like that, but that's fine. That's their problem. They don't understand. But those who have sailed in my boat, they know that how hard this must have been, how tough it must have been, how fearful this journey is. So I'm enjoying this phase where I see her shining. Of course, we still have the exams to go, but I'm sure she will do fine. So to all those parents whose children are graduating, remember this is your graduation too, mom. Your dreams are coming true. Own it, fly with your child. I walked through the entire parade with my daughter because I feel that this was my graduation too. I didn't think about anything, but I just felt that this is what my heart wants because I want to walk with her because I'm also graduating from grade 12. Till next time, see you.